In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this $15 synthetic pre-pluck unit from TEMU.
Hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels.
Head, shoulders, knees, toes, don't know these hoes. Face, lips, eyes, nose, camera, click, we pose, beat.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒶𝒸𝒶, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. If you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So today, you guys, I got a new unit, and it's not like a pop of color or anything, because I think I'm gonna slow it down a little bit on the color, because baby, I've been popping out with some colors. Okay, I'm not a hairstylist, baby. I make it do what it do. I'm a baddie on a budget. I do my own. I do it all by myself. Personally, I'm the type of person, I really do believe you can do it yourself. Why spend so much money when you can really just do it yourself? Baby, I got real bills. So I got this wig off of TEMU, and it was right now it's $15.95. That's good. You can get straight, which I'm gonna show you guys the picture. You can get straight. I don't even know if you guys can pretty much see. You can get the curly unit. I got the curly unit. So I really took a risk on this unit, like literally ordering this unit, because there's no reviews on it. Should I order this, or should I just leave it alone? So I ordered it, y'all. He came in this very long bag. Baby, she ain't that long. I mean, well, I guess she is, ain't she? When I say I'm a synthetic wig whisperer, I am going to claim that name. I whisper to the wigs. I'm a synthetic wig whisperer. They talk to me, I talk to them. I look at the lace, like I look at the hairline when I take it out. Baby, y'all finna see this. Let me take all this middle out. Take the gut out. Wish you could take my gut out. My gut needs to be out. But it's there. It's just gonna be there. I want to take off the net. I know the difference between net and net. Net. A net is the things that fly around. A net is like a net or a fish net. I know the difference. It's just my brain operates a little backwards, upside down, however you want to say it. I know it's net, but what comes out is net. And let's look at her. Ooh, okay, y'all, this is with that. Can you guys see how this hairline is with the curls? I'm so scared because I don't want to comb them out, but you know, they're so pretty. She is long, baby. Okay, 13x3 lace, 180 density, and baby, she do got layers. She got little layers, just a little bit. Has two combs right here. Has one comb in the back. Of course, the adjustable straps. Like, this is very well made. I like it. It's very nice for $15, baby. She made nicely. The hairline is pre-plucked, and I absolutely love that. The lace, it has a little stretch to it. It looks so voluptuous, so luxury. That's what it's giving me. Volume. Like, and I ain't even combed it out. Can you imagine combing this out? How much volume this hair is gonna have? Can you imagine? You know how you can get a synthetic unit and it looks shiny? Y'all know. But this one has a dull look to it. Like, this is a good unit. And I know she's gonna take heat. Let me look into it first. It says high temperature fiber. So get what? Baby can take heat. She can take heat. Okay. It's long overdue. I be trying to do a little skincare at home. Y'all see that? This is gonna stay on here the whole video because it's a bump under there. Just trying to do this whole area, and yes, this is the same stocking cap I've been using for the past, I don't know how long I've been using this stocking cap. Yeah, I might have a hole in it, but it's still good. It's still holding my hair down. So I'm pretty much just gonna do this area because that unit, it covers that area. Like, that's what I'm doing. So now I'm about to put some makeup on the inside of this. So surprised, and ain't nobody bought it. Nobody bought it and did a review on it. I am so shocked. I'm gonna be the first. All right, let's put her on. Oh, y'all. Oh, wait a minute. Let me adjust this first before I be like, oh my God, it looks so good. You know what I'm saying? Baby, this still looks good. Like, regardless of me adjusting it, like, I love the way this looks. Oh, wow. Looks so good. Baby. Oh, baby, this wig does not deserve a part. I made up my mind on how I want to style it, and it's not going to have a part. I want to look like I came out of a salon, like, you know what I'm saying, like a fresh silk press, and a little curl in it to make it a little beautiful. Oh my God, she'll look good with a part too. Let's not get it twisted. Look at that, y'all. I mean, she can't go that far back. She ain't got no baby hairs, and that's good because, baby, she don't need any baby hairs. She does not. I am gonna pluck a little bit more because she has potential to look so realistic. That's good. Come on, go. I'm gonna pluck a little bit because, baby, she really don't need it, but I want it to look, yeah. And I'm just trying to make it look like a hairline, like it's very, very thin in the hairline. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if that makes sense, you guys. It still looks good, like, regardless of how much I pluck. I need to comb out the extra hair, but I'm going to, like, wait until the end. I'm going to go in with my melting spray. Whoa. So I'm going to go in with a band so I can lay this unit down. Baby, I got 2 studio lights and it's hot. I'm hot. Yeah, long as the time is you. Has it been 10 minutes yet? Like, I downloaded like 3 games. You know how games advertise another game? Yeah, that's how I keep downloading games.
To be continued.
So it has been 10 minutes. Yeah. It's late, baby. Star, I get money, I'm a star. Okay, Nick, and you go with your people stop. Whatever. Let's put this lace spray back on here, and we're gonna lay it down some more. Baby, that lace is disappearing, okay? Woo! Let's get it. Yeah. And we're gonna do this for 10 minutes as well. See, that's how they make you want to download another game. That looks so fun. I want to play, but I can't keep downloading all these games. No.
Find out what happens on the next episode of As the Cardio World Turns.
So I've been well over the 10 minutes that I was supposed to. Let's get back to these, okay? Alright, let's take off the bunny ears. I'm gonna go in with my wax stick and I'm going to just lay it down a little bit up here. And I still got some hair in here that I plucked. But I'm gonna put some of this right here because I am going to have it going back. So yeah. And I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and I am gonna be careful because this heat ain't finna kill my scalp. My scalp. A little baby hair, you know, I like that. I just want a little. I ain't finna do nothing dramatic. Go in with my melting spray to put on my baby hairs because baby, she lasts me every bit of 2 weeks. I'm gonna brush this out and I'm going to put it some type of way so you guys can pretty much see what this looks like. Y'all give me just a moment.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I can have the flea. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, makeup pretty clean.
Okay, so this unit is so cute. Like, y'all like that? Okay, so let's talk about this unit real quick. Like, she is really cute. Like, it don't matter what side I do, baby. So what I did off camera, I cut layers in it. I cut a lot of layers in it. This unit needed a lot. I thought it had a lot of layers in it, but no, it didn't. And I made sure I put all the hair back. I sprayed a little got-to-be spray and I let it sit back and then ended up ooh, that's too much. Now let's talk about this hair, like the hair. So when I did brush just this little piece, it just seems so nappy. I don't know. I can't explain it. In the hair, I just finger combed it. So the curls are very tight. It is very, very nappy. A little oil, you know, that'll bring it back. That'll make it look more not nappy. I like it. I'm going to give this unit like a 8. 7 or 8. That's what I'm going to give it. I love the way the lace is. The lace is real good. Like you really can't tell once you fix it up and, you know, put foundation on it. It looks good. Like it's decent. As you can see, this hair, it gets a little tangled. I didn't separate all of the curls. I didn't brush it out fully. If you want a part, it's really good in the middle. It's not a lot of parting space. It just falls right in place. Like, I don't know. I don't want a part in it. I just want it to lay like this. Okay. Cute. You can play with a lot. Look at it. Look how cute that is. I love that. It's so full. It's pretty. I like it. But yeah, I'm going to give this unit an 8. I guess that's all I got for you guys. Like, this is pretty much it. I like it. It's cute. It'll do. Until next time, you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I can have the flea. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, makeup pretty clean. Boost your self-esteem. I get tough in the morning, so I feel like baby king. First is black, step outside. And so I just like baby D. Bitch, I'm cold. Pussy awesome that you know it's giving cream. I got hoes when there's not enough, come fill it